take no pick, no flick.
I just had to let you know you're fine. Hands on your body, I just gotta say.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my motherfucking channel. I just woke up from a nap. It's cold as a bitch outside. It's literally snowing. Oh, it's cold. It's snowing. What the fuck? I'm going to get my nails done today. I wanted to interview her, but she's not gonna let me because she's not wearing makeup. But I'm starting a new fucking series on my channel about entrepreneurs, so stay tuned for that. So hopefully this week or next week I can get some people in for my interviews, because I want to get this stuff going by March and April. I want to get a few people interviewed by then, so fingers crossed. All right, so it's cold. It's fucking negative balls degrees in Wisconsin, and we are going to nail lacquer lounge. Mimi went to cosmetology school with me. Mimi is the owner. I'm going to be interviewing Mimi sometime this week, probably on Thursday. Today is Tuesday. By the time you guys watch this, it probably will be Thursday. Not gonna lie, got a lot going on. So yeah, so that's it. Kind of did my makeup today. My hair's straightened. I'm wearing a band t-shirt and jeans and Vans. The usual, you know the deal. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get my nails done. My aesthetics this month of March is gonna be olive green. So guess what color we're getting our nails done today? You guessed it, olive green. So my nails right now look ratchet as fuck. You see them? Yeah, you see that white paint chipping off, girl? It looks fucked up. So we're gonna fix that today. So if you wanna see me get myself to fucking together, or kinda, then please keep on watching. And before we get into this video, do not forget to like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam Fam. And always don't forget to subscribe so you can stay in touch and linked in with my new content. Love you guys. Let's go. Let's get into the shit, okay? What are we waiting for? What are we even waiting for? Let's go.
I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds on my neck and I got shoes on my ass. Niggas said I'm going broke, well I just take it and laugh. I be speeding with 5 on my ass, but I'm that nigga.
And I ain't playing with these bitches. They cash. I ain't got no hot bitch. Find it. I stop. I got the game in the squeeze. Gee, I told her don't win no 350s round me. Elbow in the back, and that's roll in the back. Don't need Gucci on my back. TV Gucci got my back. Don't know where y'all niggas at. Oh, hey.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm great. How can I help you today, honey?
Yes, can I please have a chicken quesadilla?
I'm sorry, say that again.
A chicken quesadilla? An order of nacho fries? A cheesy bean and rice burrito? A side of pico de gallo? A side of creamy jalapeno sauce, and a medium Baja Blast.
All right. Did you want anything else?
Did you get my cheesy bean and rice burrito?
apologize about that, honey.
That's
Yes,
okay.
I do have your cheesy bean and rice burrito, your quesadilla, your side of fries, side of pico, side of jalapeno sauce, and your Baja Blast. Anything else?
You are awesome. Everything on the screen is correct. Mild sauce, and that's it. That's everything. Thank you.
All right, no problem, honey. You can pull forward. It's gonna be 864.
Thank you. Oh, she was on it. She was on her shit. Okay. Period. Period. Every time the employee needs to take notes, cause your girl was on her shit. So yes. Okay. Let me put this shit the fuck back. Yes, girl. I'm gonna use the girl with the fur. Yes, girl. Yes, girl. Yeah, gotta get my black card out, you know. Just kidding. I'm playing, y'all. I'm playing. I kid. You were on it. Thank you.
The receipt I'm about to give you gonna have a survey code on it. Just take the survey and let me know how.
I will. I really wanted to interview her today, but she's not wearing makeup, so she won't let me interview her. So I think I'm gonna come back on Thursday to interview her. So yeah, but if you want to see me get my nails done, watch.
Go, go, go.